Hello students, today we will perform a new experiment in paper second. The name of the practical or experiment is full adder. Okay. uh, Full adder circuit performs the addition of more than 2 bits or more than 2 binary digits. It can add 3 or more than 3 also. Okay. It is called as full adder. Now here in this experiment 3-bit addition is performed by this full adder. So this is the logic diagram. See, this is the logic diagram of full adder by using logic gates. Logic gates. There are 2 half adder sections. This one is first half adder section, and this one is the second half adder section. Okay. So the output of half adder, that is output of first AND gate, is connected to the input of OR gate, first input of OR gate, and output of second AND gate. In second half adder section, it is given to the input of second input of OR gate. Okay. So here the output of XOR gate is called as sum, and output of OR gate, it is called as carry. Output of XOR gate is called as sum, and output of OR gate is called as carry. Okay. So 3-bit addition is performed by using this full adder. Okay. So full adder is a logic circuit which performs the addition of 3 bits or 3 binary digits. See here, this is the truth table of full adder. Here there are 3 inputs A, B, C, and output sum and output carry. Okay. So see here, we know that 0 plus 0 plus 0, sum will be 0, carry will be 0. See here, 0 0 0, sum 0, carry 0. Okay. Then second condition, 0 0 1. So for this input, it becomes 0 plus 1. So for 0 plus 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. Then again second B input is made high. So 0 1 0. For 0 1 0, again 0 plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. Okay. Again for 0 1 1, that is 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Then 1 0 0, sum 1, carry 0. Then for 1 0 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Then 1 1 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Then for 1 1 1, that is when all these inputs are 1 1. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum 1, carry 1. Okay. So this is the truth table of full adder circuit. See here, for to make or to build a full adder circuit, we require 3 ICs. IC 7408, it is for AND gate. IC 7486, it is for XOR gate. And IC 7432, it is for OR gate. Okay. So this is the logic diagram. Now we have to build this circuit, or we have to make the connections as per this logic diagram. So see here, this is the practical board to perform full adder. Here IC 7408 is connected. IC 7408, it is used for AND gate. IC 7486, it is used for XOR gate. And IC 7432, it is used for OR gate. Okay. See, actually these ICs are mounted on this PCB. Here this is IC 7408. It is mounted on this PCB, and the wires, that is pins, are connected by using these wires to the corresponding terminals. Okay. Pin number 1, pin number 2. See here, this is pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4. Okay, so first now on this PCB, IC base is connected or soldered, and on IC base or on IC socket the IC 7408 is connected. Okay, in the same manner here IC 7486 is connected, and its pins are connected to the corresponding terminals. Okay, here IC 7432 is connected. Okay, then this is a DC power supply. Okay, in DC power supplies there is one step down transformer. Secondary of this transformer is given to the bridge rectifier, which consists of 4 diodes. Okay, D1, D2, D3, D4. The bridge rectifier is made in this manner. Diodes are connected here vertically. As per the circuit diagram, connections are same. That is, for cathode, it is in cathode junction there is a positive. It is positive. It is given to the positive terminal of capacitor, and in anode junction it is connected to negative, and cathode anode secondary is connected. In second combination of diodes, again the secondary wire is connected to the cathode anode terminals. So in this way bridge rectifier is made. Then output of bridge rectifier is given to the 3 terminal IC regulator 7805. It has 3 pins. Pin number 1, it is input pin, that is output of this rectifier circuit is given from filter with filter. Rectifier with filter output is given to the pin number 1. Pin number 2 is ground, and pin number 3 is output. So this pin number 3 output is given to this positive terminal of this that is, it is the positive output terminal of 5 volt DC power supply. This is a positive, and this negative, that is the black wire, it is connected to the negative terminal of this DC power supply. Okay, so in this way connections are made. Then now we have to build a full adder circuit. Using logic gates. So see the logic diagram here. See this logic diagram. First of all we have to connect pin number 14 of each IC to the positive terminal of DC power supply. Then pin number 7 of each IC to the and with cathode terminals of LED to the negative terminal of DC power supply. Okay, so see here I am connecting here pin number 14 of each IC together. I am connecting pin number 14 of each IC together. See here 14 pins are connected together, and then it is connected to the positive terminal of 5 volt DC. Okay, so in this way 14 pins are connected together, and then it is connected to the positive terminal of DC power supply. Then we have to connect pin number 7 of each IC together. Pin number 7 and pin number 7 of each IC. Pin number 7 of each IC is connected together, and then we have to connect these pins to the cathodes of each LED. This is negative means cathode, positive means anode. Okay, cathode of these two LEDs. Cathode of 2 LEDs are shorted to pin number 7, and then we have to connect it to the negative terminal of DC power supply from cathode. From cathode we have to connect it to negative terminal of 5 volt DC power supply. In this way plus VCC and ground are connected of each IC. Then now see the logic diagram. Here we have to connect pin number 1 of 7408, and pin number 1 of 7408, and pin number 1 of 7486. Okay, so see here, this is pin number 1 of 7408, and this is pin number 1 of 7486. we have to short these two pins as per this logic diagram. 1 1 and then 2 2. Okay, so short this pin number 1. See here, pin number 1 and pin number 1 of 7486. So 1 1 are shorted here. Pin number 1 and pin number 1 are shorted by this wire. Then pin number 2 and pin number 2. See here, this is a pin number 2 and this is pin number 2 of 7486. So I connected pin number 2 of 7408 and 7486 together. 2 are shorted. Okay, pin number 2 and pin number 2. Okay, now we have to take inputs from pin number 1. We have to take input from pin number 1. It is a input. Input A. This is input A. See here, this is input A. Okay, then from pin number 2, input B. See here, this is input B. This is input A. This is input A. See here, this is input A and this is input B. Okay, this is input. Okay, then we have to sort pin number 4 and pin number 5 also. Okay, pin number 4 of 7408. See here, pin number 4 of 7408, that is AND gate, and pin number 4 of 7486, that is XOR gate. So 4 4 and 5 5 to be shorted. Okay, see here, this is the pin number 4 of AND gate, 7408. So pin number 4 and this is pin number 4 are connected together, and that is pin number 4 of 7408 and pin number 4 of 7486. 4 4 are shorted and 5 5 are also to be shorted. Okay, see here, this is the pin number 5 and pin number 5 of 7486. These pins are shorted. Okay, then we have to take input C. We have to take input C from this pin number 5. See here, I am connecting one wire here to pin number 5. Okay, pin number 5, it is input C. This is input C. 5 pins are shorted and I am taking C input. Then okay, then we have to connect pin number 3 of 7486 to pin number 4 of 7408. That is pin number 3 of 7486. See here, pin number 3 of 7486 to pin number 4 of 7408. Pin number 3, see here, pin number 3 of 7486, that is XOR gate. Pin number 3 of 7486 to be connected to pin number 4 of AND gate. Pin number 4, that is pin number 4 of 7408. Okay, so see here, pin number 3 of XOR gate, it is connected to the pin number 3 of XOR gate, it is connected to the pin number 4 of 7408. See here, pin number 3 of 7486, that is XOR gate. Pin number 3 of 7486, that is output of XOR gate. Pin number 3, it is connected to pin number 4 of AND gate. Okay, so this is AND gate. So this is pin number 4 and pin number 3 of XOR gate. These pins are shorted. Pin number 3 and pin number 4. Pin number 4 and pin number 3. So these pins are shorted. Pin number 3 and pin number 4. These pins are shorted. Okay, now connect pin number 3 of 7408 to pin number 1 of OR gate, or pin number 1 of 7432, pin number 1, that is 3 to 1, 3 to 1. See here, AND gate, pin number 3 of AND gate, pin number 3 of 7408, that is output of first AND gate, output of first AND gate, that is pin number 3, output of first AND gate. See here, output of first AND gate, that is pin number 3. It is to be connected to pin number 1 of 7432. So see here, this is pin number 1 of 7432. Okay, then we have to connect pin number 6. Pin number 6, that is output of second AND gate, output of second AND gate, pin number 6. See here, this is pin number 6, output of second AND gate, pin number 6. It is to be connected to pin number 2 of 7432. So this is pin number 2 of 7432. Okay, pin number 6 of 7408, pin number 6 of 7408, it is connected to pin number 2 of 7432. Okay, then we have to connect pin number 3 of 7432, pin number 3 of 7432 to carry, that is here, to carry pin number 3 of 7432 to carry output, that is here. Okay, pin number 3 to carry, and pin number 6 of XOR gate, pin number 6 of XOR gate to sum, here sum, pin number 6 of XOR gate, here pin number 6 of XOR gate to sum output. Okay, so 2 wires are required, so I am taking 2 wires, 2 वायर, 2 वायर